Hey, what's up, Terra Luna Hollywood? Today video is going absolutely very important because you can see here the chant is absolutely and the minus, and the result has gone down of all cryptocurrencies as starting dumping. So why they start dumping and those days I explained in this video how what we do, sell or buy or hold, everything I explain, I share my opinion in this video. But before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button. If you get subscribed, then absolutely this is good for you. Okay guys, so first of all I'm gonna show you this is last 1 hour result, and the result is here. Absolutely minus 0.06% goes down. So this is absolutely a very small change but very bad change. You can see here this is absolutely a small dump, not a big dump, but again they can starting a small literally they can start, you can see here jumping. So absolutely this is good for Terra Luna, and all cryptocurrencies has go down, not just Terra Luna. Terra Luna is good. I think this is absolutely good. Okay, so first of all let me show you the price. The price is 18.11 US dollar as the latest price of 1 Terra Luna coin. So this is absolutely good, and I gonna show you the 1 day result and then decided to this is selling or buying time. Okay guys, oh my goodness, absolutely this is the result as in the minus. You can see here the chant as minus 3.42%. Absolutely very bad change. So guys, why the result as in the minus? This is one big reason to this is the start of month. This is the start of month and every cryptocurrencies in those days gone down. So this is absolutely already goes down. So guys, I hope at the end of month, they can change about they can change it, all these changes. They can make you a millionaire. They can give you a 20 to 30 US dollar absolutely, and they make you a millionaire. So this is absolutely, you can see here this was small dump but not a big dump. So this is absolutely not a selling time. I hope if I going to show you the 1 hour result again, I show you the 1 hour result. The 1 hour result has gone good, absolutely not a bad. You can see here in the graph result they're starting jumping. Alert, please, this is not a selling time, this is buying time. My opinion is this is buying time, and I hope at the mid of month they can cross 20 US dollar. If they can cross 20 US dollar, then this is absolutely good profit. They make you a millionaire. So at the end of month they can give you a 30 US dollar. What you say? What your opinion? Can they can make you a millionaire? So please share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.